I'll show you how to use Walmart's shipping templates in this video. And you can see right here, this is a guide. There are two main shipping methods. There's seller fulfilled and there's Walmart fulfilled. These are the two main ones. This one's just an extra one. So just focus on seller fulfilled and Walmart fulfilled. In today's video, we're talking about seller fulfilled. That means if items you manage, pack, and ship to customers. So if you manage, pack, and ship to customers, this is how you edit your shipping template. You're going to log into Walmart, go in the top right-hand corner, click on this little cog gear icon. Then it's going to take you down to the shipping template section. You're going to go here, scroll down, click on shipping templates, and this is your main template right here, right? What you want to do is edit your main template. You can always create another one, but I recommend to focus on one template and edit your current one. So click edit template. When you edit it, then you can set all of your parameters. So what do you want the transit time to be? Do you want it to be 7 days, 6 days, right? Remember, the shorter, the more likely you're going to generate a sale. Next is also standard. So you can get a buy box boost, free shipping, and 3-day transit time for standard shipping. You can set this up and enable this as well, and also charge extra if you wanted to for standard shipping. And then, of course, there's 2-day shipping, which is just going to give you a huge boost in sales. But remember, the faster you ship, the harder and more difficult it is to meet the requirements on Walmart, because if you delay a shipment or it gets delivered late, they're going to blame you. So just be prepared for that as well. There's going to be a huge spike in sales, but you need to be prepared. Now, once you're done that, make sure the template is enabled just like it is up here, and click Save Template. Now that you have your template set up and ready to go, what you want to do is just make sure you can get approved for 2-day shipping. That's going to be a big help. And if you can't get approved for 2-day shipping, like you apply, what you could do is utilize ShipBob. So if you utilize ShipBob, Walmart says if you use ShipBob to fulfill your orders on your behalf, you'll be approved for the 2-day delivery program, regardless of your performance history. So this is a quick way if you wanted to get 2-day shipping, okay? That's completely up to you. But again, once you have your shipping template implemented, maybe you have multiple shipping templates or you just have one shipping template. Either way, you want to make sure they're connected to your listings. So you're going to say assign SKUs to shipping templates and click bulk template setup. So you're going to click on that. And then it's going to help you update your items in bulk. So your seller fulfilled, you can match it by your GTIN, put in your GTIN numbers, which is on your category inventory page. It's going to download a spreadsheet. Then you can put what templates. So if you have 5 different templates, you can put each template in there. So template number 1, template number 2, maybe for large items, you're using a slower shipping method, right? So you want to, or you're charging shipping for certain items and not for other items. So you want to put that in and connect it to your listing. So you match it, download it, upload this spec sheet right here. And then after it's done, usually takes an hour or 2 hours, then all of your shipping templates that you created are going to be connected to the correct listings, right? If you don't know which is which, then that's why I mentioned in the beginning, just to edit the current template, because this is the default template. So every single listing you have on Walmart is already connected to the default template. So if you can just use the default template, you're good to go. All of your listings are connected to that. But that's it for today's video on Walmart and seller fulfilled shipping. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us. And a very popular service we offer is full Walmart account management. We'll manage your inventory, call Walmart, customer service, advertising, design, increase sales, and make sure your sales continue to increase. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.